In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change thumbnail in Premiere Pro. Changing the thumbnail of a clip inside Premiere Pro is a simple trick, but it can make your project much easier to navigate. The thumbnail, sometimes called the poster frame, is the little preview image you see in the project panel. By default, Premiere chooses this frame for you, but you can set it to any moment in your clip, so it's more meaningful and easier to recognize at a glance. First, make sure your project is already open in Premiere Pro and that you can see the project panel. This is usually located in the lower left corner of the interface, and it's where all your imported media lives: your video files, audio, graphics, and sequences. Inside the project panel, find the specific video clip whose thumbnail you want to change. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have several clips with similar names. Now, move your mouse over that video clip's thumbnail. As you hover left or right over the thumbnail area, you'll notice that the image changes. Premiere is actually letting you scrub through the clip directly in the project panel, showing you different frames as you move your cursor. Slowly move your mouse horizontally over the thumbnail to scrub through the video. Watch the mini preview carefully, and stop when you see the exact frame you want to use as your thumbnail. This might be a clear shot of a person's face, a key moment in your scene, or simply the frame that helps you identify the clip quickly. Once you've found that perfect frame, keep your cursor still so it stays on that image. Now, right-click on the thumbnail. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Set Poster Frame. As soon as you do this, Premiere Pro will lock in that frame as the new thumbnail for your clip in the project panel. You should see the thumbnail update immediately. From now on, whenever you look at that clip in your project, it will display the frame you chose. And that's all there is to it. By taking a moment to set a custom poster frame, you make your projects more organized and visually clear, which really helps when you're working with a lot of footage or coming back to an edit after some time away.